Hello guys, so today we had this Volkswagen Mark 7.5 Golf R for ambient lighting and starlight. This is what the interior has been. It does not have any starlight or ambient lighting. We already took the roof out. I forgot to make the video, so that's why I'm making it now. So basically we're gonna have ambient lighting here, which is gonna be one strip here, one on the dash, one will be on the middle of that, and one on the trim, and four on the dash, four storage light and four door bin lights, plus the starlights is gonna be 500 stars plus the shooting star as well. So 200 stars plus the 500 stars is gonna make it look awesome. I had some Golf R and some Volkswagen Mark 7.5, which I did not record any videos because I forgot to. So yeah, this is what it's gonna be like, and we'll make it. We'll show you how it looks at the end. So hopefully it's gonna turn out good. So yeah, bye. Thank you. So this is basically we done the starlight guys and the ambient light, so you can see how the result turned out. This is how it looks on the dashboard. We done 2 strips on the dash, sorry, 3 strips on the dash, 1 on the trim panel. Oh, it's 4, sorry, I forgot. This is basically done extra by us. This is not actually an additional request. What the hell is he doing? Leave it. Yeah, so this is not done by anybody. This is actually us did some extra gesture for the customer because he's a regular customer. So we gave him extra 2 or 3 strips, I think. Normally you get 1 with this, but we added 4 of them, I think. And the doors, you can see how the doors looking. This is how it looks on the dash and everything. This is how it looks on the door. You get 1 on the storage, 1 on the handle light. So this is how it basically looks all around. And the starlight, you can see how the starlights turned out. This is how the meteor, the shooting star has been done. This has been done by us as well. We did not charge the customer any extra charges for this. So this is how it looks. So wait for the meteor to play out. I'm just trying to make it go in one space. So this is how it looks in the daytime. Normally at night you will see the more good result than the daytime. So this is how it is, and should be, if you want any of your car to be done with ambient light or starlight or any other mechanical anything issue or anything, just let us know on DM or anything on Instagram somewhere. We'll sort it out. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.